Back for another practice in the two-park building. Looks like some more guys have showed up. Can't wait. Yeah, for the Takalo group. There we go. Come and sit on the nice chairs. Sweet. So this is one practice on Saturday and one practice on Wednesday. So I'm here again. I just finished the gym. Coming here for some cardio. There's a few boys waiting outside. Yeah, just saw Joey T. So yep, okay, hopefully this goes well. If you want to come, just come. But they're gonna cut off the practices soon. Yeah, okay. See you then. Thank you.
Alright, talk about tour, let's go.
How was it, Joey?
Oh man, real good. Be back for the next one. Trying to work on my fitness for the next one.
Oh, yeah.
This man suited up in fitness gear. Out Sarah Scorpion, new on the shorts. So nice. And the ones that didn't come, I'll see you at the next one.
Yeah.
Let's go. Shout out to 01868 baby.
Boom.
Chris, we back.
Oh yeah, you know, we back out here performing for New Year and all that, you know. Whenever we're on, you know. So yeah, have a good week everyone.
Yo. Whakaalo whatu mākou. Mawhala. Back here with the best barber in East Auckland. Shoo! Kingston. Man, I'm looking scruffy as, so he's gonna come and fix me up. That's Kingston. Yeah. Oh, all good? Yep. Yeah, Kingston, yeah, he's been a barber for a couple of years now. And yeah, if you're out these ways, out East Auckland, Shop and Co. Chop Shop, Hamil, right next to Peaches Chicken. Man, halfway through. Ooh, shoo, man. Thanks, Kingston. It's Kingston here. Gee, man, that looks mean, bro. I think I better go to Sylvia Park, walk around. Whakaalo whatu mākou. I'm here with Kingston, one of the newest best barbers.
Oh.
Where are we, Kingston?
Chop Shop.
Chop Shop.
Have your come through if you want to cut.
Yes. Man, the booking's packed, man, so come in. Yeah, heaps of parking. Good time to come, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Or Monday.
Yeah. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Oh, yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, maybe Thursday. But yeah, mean day. Looking forward to get my cut from Kingston. So we'll see what it looks like afterwards, eh? Yeah. You want to show your new tap, bro? What you got?
Oh.
Nah. Yeah, alright. We'll see how it looks after. Yeah, I haven't had a cut. I haven't had a cut for a couple of days now, so I figured I might as well come to see Kingston at his work. He just got a new tattoo, so that's why he wasn't available at his house. But all good, come and support the business. It's pretty packed, so it's a Thursday, pretty busy. So I'm just gonna go chill in the car while I wait. Man, nice sunny day here in Pamela. Chop Shop. So I'm just gonna go chill in the car. Alright. Bro, you're getting an F.
What do you want to do today?
Just same, bro. Same.
Trim the top down or maybe the
A little bit trim.
same on the sides?
Yeah.
Beard? Anything or not?
That's all good. Sweet. Alright. See you after. If possible, sorry man. Go and cook. I don't know, bro. I was gonna buy my haircut. Man, thanks, Mr. Bro. Man, appreciate it, eh? Oh man. Yep. See ya. See you, boss. Yeah. See you, get him, brother. Woo! Mean cut. Mean cut, man. Just finished the haircut with Kingston. Ooh, I feel good, man. I feel good. Nice fade. He was busy, man. Shucks. He's getting better and better. So now, if you're watching, just tell me what kind of haircuts do you guys get? If you go to a barber, put a comment down below. Do you get fades like this, or do you go to a barber, or do you just cut your hair yourself? Yeah, put a comment down, man. I feel much better. Much better. Got my hair cut. I think I'm ready for I'm going to a family service coming up. Yeah, got things coming up, so I'm just happy I look a bit more presentable. Yeah, if you like that, okay, go here.